What's up guys, John here, back with another video, and today, you can already probably tell by the title, but we are doing my fidget spinner collection. So, some are broken, some are not. So the first one is this. It's a plain red one with black bearings, as you can see. And it's quite noisy, but it spins okay. So that's the first one. The second one is a white one. As you can see, it has a crack there. This one doesn't spin very well, but it's okay. Still okay. Next one is this. It's a glow in the dark one. Well, it doesn't really glow, guys. So it's an okay one. White one. Glow in the dark with silver bearings. Okay, the next one is, this is the first ever one I had. It's camo, really good camo, black bearings, colourway is okay, black, brown, white. This is how it spins. So it's quite noisy, but that's okay. Spins quite fast. Okay, next one, what should I say? Next two are the same. I had these two the same. So this one is a silver one. It's got Chinese writing on. I don't know what that means though. And the bear that in the middle there, I've lost them. Same with this black one. I've lost that there. I don't know where they've gone. So that's them two. I can't spin them, of course. I wish I could. So yeah. Next one is this four-sided blue one. It's plastic. I don't know if you can hear that. Yeah, it's okay. It's got these metal balls in. So yeah. And that's how it spins. Quite fast. It's quiet. Oh yeah. Alright, next one is this black and green Batman one. So it's got green bearings there. That's it. This is how it spins. It's quite noisy. Doesn't spin for that long. But yeah. Next one is this black light up one. If I can just get it to work. One of the sides doesn't work, but that's the other two. Red and blue light up. There we go, but that top one doesn't work. Okay, that's how it spins. There. Okay, moving on to the last couple now. We've got this one, which is a LED one, and this is how it goes. What?
Bluetooth mode.
Right, for this you need a phone with the correct app to put the music on, but I don't know if I still got the app for it, and it's still on my phone anyway. So yeah, let me just turn this off. There we go. Okay, next one is this pattern one. It's got different patterns on each side with grey balls, but bearings, metal. This, I really like this song, it spins really good. Nice and quiet as well. Right, the next one is this Manchester United one, because you probably know I support Man U. As you can see, I've got a Man U thing there and a Man U calendar. So this is that. Okay, Man U one. I had this from the Man United shop, and this is how it spins. Just a normal red one. Yeah. Next one is in this metal tin, and yeah, this one, two-sided metal. I wanted the blue and bronze one, but they didn't have it. So yeah, this is how this one spins, really fast. It spins for quite a long time as well. Really nice. Okay, last one now is in this black case. Now, if I just open it like that, we can get it out. There's the case, and this is it. Multicoloured metal, as you can hear it. There. Really nice. I love this one.
What? Oh, put your phone on me, you alright?
Yeah.
You are.
Really nice, guys. It spins really fast and really long.
Yeah, oh, sorry.
So yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to subscribe and like. Peace.